So today for review we have this SOOPI data cable. These are the ones that have the little OLED display. This is my first look at it as well. Packaging's kind of nice for a cable. So there's two in the box and support card, which is actually printed well. It's got foil on it and stuff. It's like they're trying to make it a premium product here. I picked these up on Amazon. I like they're kind of thick, and I like the sheathing on here. It's kind of nice. We're going to hook one up and see what it looks like. 240 watts, supposedly. USB-C connector itself is kind of deep, which is good. I like to see that because it works with more devices whenever it's a little bit deeper. It's not a real shallow looking cable. I'm going to plug up the non-OLED side to a charger, and then we're going to get something and plug it in. Let's see here. I've got, this may not be the best thing, but I have a flashlight here. Let's see what it does. So there's the little display. I think that's pretty neat. Look good in a car too. We'll kill a light, get some more action of that LED real quick. There we go. This is what it looks like. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Let's see what happens when I unplug it. Now, this is plugged up to a power bank, so it could be that, because I haven't supplied this with constant power, that it would normally stay on. It's looking pretty cool. I mean, pretty simple. Seems like they tried to make it high quality. This feels like either high quality plastic or brushed aluminum, maybe. Comes with different lengths, of course. Can't really say much bad about it. I think I could recommend these. So these are the SOOPI data cables, and let's zoom back out real quick. These are the 1.2 meter red 2-pack. It's the S66cc. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in.